Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. How to create Dropbox account. So this is a step-by-step guide. Make sure you will be on the dropbox.com. This is the official website. After we will just tap on it that try Dropbox for free. So first of all, you may know what you are buying the package from here. So this is the plus, professional, standard and advanced. So on the advanced and the standard package you will be just get a 20% off if you will just get the buy the subscription. And after, you will just have to know the reasons behind to buy the subscriptions. So these are the all subscriptions benefits like 15 GB for teams, stay connected across all device, 1 year to restore deleted files and transfer files up to 100 GB. So you, after when you just selected your package by your work strategy, we will just go back, and on the back you will see there's an option to sign up. Just tap on it for sign up. So right now you will be sign in with your Google account or by your email manually. So you will also directly continue with Google, or you will just have to enter your email and just give them your first name, last name and the strong password, and you will be able to create Dropbox account easily. So that's it. Thank you.